the summer of love.
Welcome back, students. In this video I will be explaining about formulas. Now, formula is what? Formula is a sequence of operations which we do with the help of cell references in MS Excel. We use many operators for performing formulas. Now, in the previous video I had shown you how to enter data, how to format data, how to use some conditional formatting and all as well. So today I will totally concentrate on what is formula and how we can apply formula in our Excel sheet. Before I start doing, I will make one I will make one entry for some data so that I can apply some formulas onto that data. So here I will write like name, and then I will add marks of different three subjects. Let's say English, then Hindi, and then maths, and then I will find total of those subjects. So let me enter. So decoration in the similar way we do in MS, the way we do in MS Word, we will do it exactly the same way. And here I will write, let's say Karan, Meena, Krish, Anuj, and let's say Prapti. Okay, and they have values like random values I am entering. So no need to be offended whether if your name is there and you are getting less marks. I'm sorry for that. I'm just putting random values so that I can show you how we can perform all this. Okay, so here are some random entries. Now before I want to add these three values, okay, I want to add these three values. That means I will be using some formula. You have to understand, whenever you are entering any formula, you have to start the formula with equal to sign. Now any formula, yes, any formula will be started with equal to sign. And where will you write the formula? You will write the formula out here, dear. You will write the formula here in the formula bar. This is the this bar, this entire big long bar is called formula bar, and all formulas you will be entering into it. Now where you want the output, you should write formula there only. I want the output over here because these are three inputs. These three inputs, I want to add these three numbers, and where I want to see the result, I want to see the result over here. So I will click here and I will go here. So as I said, that formula starts with equal to sign. So I will put my equal to sign, and then what will I do? I need to add those values. What I can do it in two ways. I can simply click it, the cell number will come. See, and it has a animation has started. Then I will provide plus sign, plus operator. I had told you we use many operators: plus, minus, multiply, divide, all these operators I will be giving example, and so that you can understand it better. Then I want to add this, so I will again click here. I will again click this cell. See, the cell is getting added. Then again I will put plus, and then again I will click here. See the animation, and if I now press enter, the answer is there. I hope the answer is correct. So this is how you put a formula. So let's do it again. Let's do this for a particular cell. So what will I do? I will now use the second method. That was the first method. Now I will show you the second method. So again, the formula, as usual, formula starts with equal to. Then what will I do? I know this. I know the cell reference. I know the cell reference. How? This is D. This is D column and 6th row. So D6. So I will write by myself. So D6 plus, then this is E6. So E6 plus, and then I will, this is F6. So F6. And if I press enter, again the calculation is being done. So this is the same way here. Let's do it again. So equal to this, I can, if you want to click, you can click. If you want to write, you can write. Then give the plus operator, then the next one, plus operator, then the next one, and done. So now the question is that, sorry for the mistake, there was a mistake, because after this also I am putting a plus sign. It's not required. Now there's a question, sir, for how long we have to keep on writing the formulas? Can't we do it once and we can apply it for all? Yes, we can do. That is called autofill. or copying the formula across the columns. How we can do this? Let me just clear it. So as you can see, I have already applied formula over here. So what will I do? I will select the column. This is the active cell now. Do you see the black dot, black big dot at the right side of that column? Yes. Now I had told you earlier also, in Excel the cursor looks like different in different situations. Here the cursor look like this plus sign, here it is looking like an eye, here the drop down arrow. So when I move my cursor slowly, I'm moving it, and you can see the cursor has become black dark plus. So what you will do, you will press and hold the left mouse button and you will drag across the cells, and you will see automatically all the formula has been applied. As you can see, so here it should be D6 plus E6 plus F6. So if I click on it, you can see the formula. If I click on it, you can see the formula. See, all has been done correctly. So this is how you automatically apply formulas. If you did not get it, let me show you again. I'm clearing it. What will I do? I will first apply the formula. I will go in the formula bar. I will start with equal to sign. Then I will press the first, then plus sign, then the second next row, cell, then the plus sign and the next cell, and then I will press enter. Once it is done, I don't have to do it for all. I will go just to this corner when the cursor is changing. With the cursor has changed in the dark plus one, I will press and hold the left mouse button and I will drag it, and the formulas will be applied for all other cells. So this is how we do it. So this goes let's say addition. Now if you want to do subtraction, now subtraction is a simple sense. We cannot do subtraction in 3 values, so we can do multiplication. Same way here. Subtraction also I will show you, don't worry about it. So multiplication same, equal to, it will start with equal to this, then the star button. This star means multiplication in computer, then this, then again multiply, then this, and see the multiplication has come. One interesting fact is that if you want to change any value, you don't have to worry about the multiplication. The calculation will be done automatically. What I want to say, just see, I'm applying it. What I want to say, if any of the value is 0, the entire multiplication will be 0. So I'm making it 0, and see, voila, the answer has become 0. If you want to change it to 1 or 10, so according this, the answers will change. So let me make it 2, and let me make it 10, and let me make it 1. So 2 into 10, that is 20. 20 into 1, that is 20 itself. So see, this is how. So once you have to, Excel is magical. Once you apply the formula, you don't have to worry about it. You keep on changing the values, it will be applied. Now for subtraction, let me write here number 1 and here number 2. So what will I do here? I will write some values, let's say 100, and here I will write the value, let's say 30. So now we will do subtraction. I want the answers over here. I can have my answers anywhere I will like. Okay, I can have my answers anywhere I will like. Suppose I want my answer here, so I will click here. I will go to formula bar. Again, it will start with equal to, then this, okay, then minus, and this, and I will press enter. I can get my answer. But normally what we do, we just want the answer just next to it, so it is better. So it will start with equal to, then this, then minus, then this, and this is how you do. Same for the division. Division we cannot have for many numbers. Let's say here 50, and here is 2. So 50 divided by 2, it will be 25. So here I will go again. I will write the formula with equal to sign, then the first number, the bigger number obviously, then the divide sign. This slash is the division operation in MS Excel, then the 2, and then press enter. So this is how you enter, you write formula. If you want to edit some formula, suppose here you want to edit some formulas, you want this number to be divided by that, or you want this number to be divided by 100, you want to divide it by 50. So what we can do, so we will just change the cell number. This is cell, if I select it, this is J5. So here if I write J5, so 100 divided by 50, the answer will be 2. Sorry, oh, it was 2 only, sorry, that's why. So if I want to edit it, I want to divide 100 by 50. So 100's cell number is J5 and 50's cell number is J6. So the formula will be J5 divided by J6, not K6. So if I write J6, See, the answer has come 2. I hope you have understood. So this is how in this video I have shown you how to enter, edit formulas and how to apply those formulas into your Excel sheet. Now while writing formulas there are some errors. What kind of error comes? Suppose here all three are numbers. If by mistakenly if I have written any names, let's say Amit, so we cannot add numbers with letters, no, so there will be an error, this value error. Okay, in the same way we cannot divide any number with 0. So let's here the formula, let's make it 0 and let's change the formula, that is J6 divided by K6. So if I write here, say division 0, so we cannot divide any value with 0. So this kind of error comes. Then again, suppose suppose I am entering here, because these are multiplication, these three were multiplied, see multiplication, no, let me increase the size of this number, let's say 15456. So see again let me increase the nice number of this, and if I make it small, so this kind of error is coming. Why? Because it could not hold the number. So here not there, as you can see this kind of error is coming. Why? Because there are some bigger number, it cannot hold this particular cell space. So what we can do, you have to increase the cell space and you can see the result. So I hope you have understood. This will make this kind of error. If you see this kind of error, that means there is not enough space. You have to drag the space out and you have to make proper let's say space for this value. So that's all for today. In this video I had explained about what is formula, how we can enter and edit formulas, how we can apply formula in our Excel sheet. In the next video I will be explaining about functions, so stay tuned, and if you are new to this channel, please subscribe my channel and activate the bell icon so that whenever I upload a new video you get the notification. Thank you.